Guys, welcome back to my channel Desi Canadian Vlog. So in this video we will discuss three major updates announced by Immigration Minister Mark Miller. So first of all, he said there will be no dual intent LMI who are applying for the LMIs and for the work permit extension, but still you have the option for the normal PR supporting LMI. So what's the difference? So in the dual intent LMI, you get the 50 points and you had the option to apply for a work permit extension, but in the normal PR supporting LMI, you get the 50 points but you had no option to apply for the work permit or work permit extensions. So that means there will be no change in normal PR supporting LMI. You can still file your applications and the processing time as usual, so there is no big change. Second point, if you are going for a low wage LMI or low wage category LMI and you are living in the region where the unemployment rate is greater than 6%, so yes, your file will not be processed and maybe you will get a refusal. Yeah, you guys have to be prepared and ready for the tough action, because Mark Miller is very strict now regarding immigration and all the rules he's making, he's announcing. That's all against international students, immigrants as well. So how do you know like your LMI submitted is low wage or high wage? So here is a chart shows on the screen that says so if you are living in the Alberta, so the median wage is $29.50. That means if you are less than $29.50, your LMI is low wage. If you are living in BC, so it's $28.85. If you are in Ontario, it's $28.39, and if you are in Saskatchewan, it's $27 exact. So the third point is, and the third big major update is, if you are already approved for LMI and you go ahead and file your application for work permit, so yes, in that case you will only get a 1 year work permit instead of 2 year. Earlier you used to get 2 year work permit, they put the cap, now you only get a 1 year work permit. So these were the major updates from the Immigration Minister Mark Miller. So I know these are the tough changes. Thank you guys.